Okay, this job's going to be called the Toys R Us Vacant Building Fire Lane Striping. And this is a request by Nancy over at Management by Design. We've worked with her before, and this is in Bellevue. She needs some fire lane striping done at this vacant Toys R Us. All right, try to show you the best view here. So, looking north and south, this is north and south in here in Bellevue. You got Northeast 2nd Street right here. This is 110th right here running north and south. This is south. At this entrance here, and right over in here, we need to help them out by getting the curbs painted red. So they just need to be dry scrubbed with like a wire broom at these entrances, and we need to get them painted because the fire marshal is on their case about getting it painted, and they need it done as soon as possible. So you got area 1, area 2, and area 3. Area 1 is approximately 25 feet. Okay, then you got area 2, which is approximately 25 feet. That's gonna be both sides of the entrance. And then over here, you've got this curb that needs to be painted red, and it kind of splits between this property and this property. So we just need to repaint it red. And there's a small little piece that's right there as well. So total footage is gonna be 25 feet, 25 feet, and then a total of 25 feet here as well. Okay, so I'm at this spot right here, and we're looking at a street view. That needs to be repainted, and we'll just paint it all the way around to the end there. We'll paint it red. Over here, on this side, you've got a little bit of red that needs to be painted right here. Okay, see if I can get a little closer zoom there. All right, so right in this section needs to be painted red. You'll see that it's broken right in this little area here. Right here. So that's going to be tough to paint, but we'll get the rest of this painted right here to the joint. Okay, so now I'm at area number 3, which is the south part of the parking lot. And you'll see here's the entrance, and over to the right we need to paint the curb until you get to the radius on that side. And then on this side, same thing. You've got some curbing that's right here that needs to be painted, and then it goes to dirt, and then there's some curbing right here, and we need to paint that all the way until you get to the radius, which I would say will stop right there, right at that joint. We'll get that painted, and then up here is the north one. Okay, so now we're at the north end at this entrance, and that's a street view. You got to paint coming in off the sidewalk around the corner, and we'll stop right past the radius until it hits the straight. Over here, same thing. Get around till you see that puddle and get right around the radius. We need to paint that red. Okay, so I'm back to that first area where I showed you the red painted curb. You'll notice there's no fire lane stenciling on there. I say what we need to do is we need to do what the neighboring lot is doing. So this is the neighboring lot, and we're looking right here in this little area. You'll see that there's 4-inch no parking fire lane stencils on there. Actually, it just says no parking there, but up here it ends up saying fire lane. So we probably want to put some stenciling on that one that says no parking fire lane at area number 2. So that's 1. Down here, go no parking fire lane. So that'd be a second set. Put no parking on one side, fire lane on the other, and then up here, same thing, no parking on one side and fire lane on the other. So there'll be 3 sets of no parking fire lane stencils, 4-inch, to include on that, all right? Total footage for the red painted curb is 25 plus 25 plus 25. Any other questions, let me know. This is a vacant lot, so it should be easy to get the work done. Thanks.